Hey guys, welcome to Sonny's Models, and today I'm going to show you how to make some bushes, shrubs using seafoam. Now seafoam, it's fairly cheap to buy. I bought quite a large box for about £10 off eBay. This is basically all the stuff is. It's little, it's actually, I think it's some form of plant. I haven't done much research on it, but it's good stuff. I mean, it's quite nice as it is. But it is it's a little bit sparse. They do come in some really nice colours, so it is kind of a bit of a shame to mess with them. But to get them to the way we want, we're going to have to do a wee bit of work, not too much. It's quite simple. So I've already got my piece that I want to be using. I've actually stuck two pieces together, left the stalk as a bit of an arm to clip up so I can continue working with it, and then I'll cut that off afterwards. So we'll want a seafoam, some brown paint. I'm using AK's REF Dark Earth, some water and PVA glue mix. I think that's about around about 67% PVA, the rest water. And I'm going to be using some of Woodland Scenic's coarse turf. It's the burnt grass. It's quite a nice little stuff. So if you can see that there, nice little foamy bits there. So, so we'll get some paint in the brush. To start us with. Okay. Just give it, taking the loose bits off. Give it a good coat. Simple there. Just while we put around with this, let that to soak in there. Don't want that gunking up. You can shut up. I don't know where you can see that on there. So I've got a nice sort of bit of a brown coating. We'll let that dry for a minute and I'll come back to you. Okay, so now we've let that dry, we're going to spray it with our PV and water mix. You can use, which is probably a little bit better really, is adhesive spray glue. I have got some, but it's not very good stuff, it gets very stringy. So have a look up for that. So it's a little bit better, it sticks quite firmly, makes the bush a lot more firm as well. Since I've used that and the stuff before, and it's the spray glue I've got, it's not very good, so I found that this actually still works quite well. So we'll just give the whole bush a spray like that. It's got more floppy. We'll get a flock and just sprinkle it over to the top. Probably better spreading more across the top than actually around the sides and the bottom. Give it that bit more of a realistic sort of look and effect. Because obviously most of the time, you know, you kind of get like dead bits underneath, or you know, not much growth underneath there. And then we'll get something to clip this on with. That's the main branch. Take off some of the excess. Let's bring it back on. there you have it, a little bush there, quite simple. So again, we'll let that dry a little bit, and then we'll give it another spray with the PVO mix, and then we'll place it on. Okay, so now we've let that dry, we're going to put it to our base. So we've already done a couple of these bushes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually use this spray glue. This is not brilliant for this, but for sticking it down is absolutely great. So we'll get our little bush. It's still a little bit wet, but it's okay. Spray a little bit inside to get this. There, you might see a little bit stringy there. Let's put that on there. And then simply pop it on. Glue off. Force that in there a little bit. And there we have it. Simple. Okay, so I mean, obviously this stuff, I mean, you can use it for anything scenery, obviously. Dioramas, train sets, railway layouts, tabletop gaming as well, be great for this sort of thing. You can also use them for trees as well. So like I said, a couple of them here, you know, I mean, they're quite, you know, tree shaped anyway. Thing is with these, obviously they're a little bit crooked because they're a natural product. So there is actually a couple of ways of kind of sorting that out. Soaking them in hot water for about 5 or 10 minutes, hanging them up, using like some crocodile clips, preferably with a bit of weight on the ends, which will stretch the stalk out slightly. It should also puff out the foam itself. And you can also harden it off a little bit more. I mean, the spray glue, if you get a good one, it obviously gives you a bit more of a mist than just a squirt. That will strengthen it a little bit more as well. Also dunking it in some clear, let's call it latex solution, which will strengthen it a lot more. What I will do is I'll put a link in the bio at the bottom of this video to Luke's APS, absolute whiz with dioramas, particularly for tabletop gaming. He will show you how to do that in that video. It's really good. So obviously subscribe to his channel as well for a lot more stuff like this. This is mainly tabletop gaming, but you can use this sort of stuff in anything that you need, that's diorama wise or railway layouts or whatever. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that helps with making your little dioramas here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. Again, hope it helps, hope you enjoyed, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.